Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you Enable Dark Mode in Roblox. Full guide for beginners. It's fast, simple, and only takes a minute. So let's jump right in. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device and make sure you are signed into your account. Once the app loads to the home screen, look for the menu icon, which is usually located in the bottom right or top corner, depending on your device version. Tap on it to open the main account menu. After entering the menu section, scroll down carefully until you find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open your Roblox account preferences and customization options. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Device Preferences option. In some versions, this may also appear as App Preferences or Theme Settings. Tap on it to continue. Now you will see appearance options such as Light Mode, Dark Mode, or Use Device Theme. Tap on the Light option if it is currently selected, then choose Dark Mode from the list. Once selected, the Roblox app theme will automatically change to dark colors. This makes the screen easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments, and also gives the app a modern look. If you do not see the dark mode option, make sure your Roblox app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. And that's, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful Roblox tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.